Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use the TradingView app in mobile for paper trading. First, download the TradingView app from your device's app store. Once installed, open the app and either create a new free account or log in if you already have one. After logging in, select any financial instrument to view its chart. This is where you'll access the paper trading features, allowing you to practice without real money. It's a great way to learn the platform. Now let's place your first paper trade. On the chart screen, look for the trading panel usually found at the bottom. Tap on it and then select paper trading from the list of available brokers to connect. Once connected, you can input your order details. Specify the quantity of shares or contracts you wish to trade and set your entry price. This simulates a real market order, helping you understand execution. After placing trades, it's crucial to monitor them. The trading panel also displays all your open positions and any pending orders. You can easily modify existing orders, such as adjusting stop loss or take profit levels, or close trades with a simple tap. The app provides real-time updates on your profit and loss, giving you immediate feedback on your simulated trading strategies. This helps refine your approach. Beyond basic trading, TradingView offers a wealth of advanced tools. Experiment with hundreds of technical indicators and drawing tools to enhance your chart analysis. This allows you to test complex strategies and see their potential outcomes in a risk-free environment. Remember, the more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Also, for a smarter home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly. Find a link to this and other great deals in the description below. Keep refining your skills.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.